Bukit Damansara, also known as Damansara Heights, one of KL's most prestigious addresses and tightly held residential enclave. This is an area where many homeowners have stayed for 20 to 30 years because of its strategic location, strong community, and long-term capital appreciation. You're just minutes away from Bangsar, Montiara, Hartamas, and KL city centre. Yet, when you're inside Bukit Damansara, it feels quiet, green, and private, which is extremely rare for a central KL address. Most importantly, freehold landed homes are very limited in supply, especially on guarded streets like this one. That's why many buyers see homes in Bukit Damansara not just as places to live, but as legacy assets that can be passed down through generations. Hi, I'm Debbie, and today I'm privileged to show you this charming bungalow in Damansara Heights, set within one of KL's most established and family-centric neighborhood. This bungalow sits on a 7,300 square feet of land and approximately 5,000 square feet of built-up area. It comes with a wide frontage, faces east, and is located on a 24-hour guarded street, which is honestly a very rare combination in this area. Welcome in! As you step inside, the first thing you'll notice are high ceilings and an open layout that instantly makes the place feel airy and welcoming. The living area is perfect for family gatherings, and it connects beautifully to the veranda, which is breezy and shaded, ideal for weekend parties, barbecues, or even hosting festive dinners with friends and relatives. The kitchen is spacious and well-designed. It is fitted with a large island that is perfect for families who love cooking and entertaining. There's plenty of storage, good natural lights, and enough space for a proper dining setup for everyday family meals. With 5+1 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, this home can easily accommodate your growing family and guests. The layout works very well for multi-generation living, or even for those who want dedicated rooms for work, guests, or hobbies. The garden flows seamlessly into this beautiful veranda, inviting nature in for everyday family moments. This is the kind of home where mornings are relaxed, children grow up with space to run, and family gatherings naturally become a tradition. With a layout that's easy to reimagine and the freedom to personalize, this land-backed home offers enduring long-term value. Homes like these don't come up often. I'm Debbie. Feel free to schedule a private viewing with me.